Good evening. My name is Yashraj and my roll number is 20CE10088. I'm from section 10 and my subsection is 1. For the DIY assignment 5, I'm going to disassemble this optical mouse. So let's disassemble it. And so here we have broke down the mouse into its different components. This is the shell of the mouse. It basically acts as a cover for the covering of the internal components of the mouse, and basically it has some buttons over it. And this is the clicking mechanism of the mouse. This is the left mouse button, and this is the right mouse button, if you can see. And this is the central scrolling mouse button. This is the scrolling mechanism. It has special mechanism. And also, if you notice, we can also click this one. You can see there's a small switch beneath here. Just a sec. As you can see, you can hear the clicking sound. Yes, there's the switch. You could see it. And also this motor inside of this mouse wheel is called the potentiometer. Also on the circuit there are 3 capacitances here, and if you notice there's also this small LED on the circuit. This LED is used to flash lights on the surface that bounce back to the camera in order to take clear picture of the surface, and the light is get reflected by this special shaped lens which is designed to reflect the LED light back to the surface. And this is also called the camera of the mouse, but this basically functions as a scatterer to scatter off the light given by the LED. And this is basically the main chip of the computer mouse. This is what you'd call an optical mouse sensor and the communication IC. This optical mouse sensor works on a navigation technology which measures the changes in position by optically acquiring surface images and then determining the direction and distance of the movement, and then it sends the data through the I2C protocol, and then it takes input from left, right and middle buttons of the mouse and accordingly sends the data through the PC. It also works as a voltage regulator. All the data from the main chip is transferred via these wires to the USB port, and this port gets connected to the computer, which thereby sends the data to the CPU, and thereby we could see the cursor moving on our screen. And that would be all for my DIY assignment. Thank you.